Welcome everyone. So in today's video, we'll show you how to automatically create or update rows in Google Sheets every time you receive an inbound SMS via ClickSend. Let's dive in. Before we start, you'll need your ClickSend account and API key. If you don't have a ClickSend account, you can create one via clicksend.com/signup. You'll also need to make sure you have a standard Albato subscription to be able to use their automation features, which we're going to need to use today. Okay, so first things first, we're going to log in to Albato. So just open up Albato in your web browser and log in with your Albato account. So next we're going to click on Create New Automation. Then we're going to add a trigger to start the automation and choose ClickSend SMS from the first drop-down menu. We can then select the event inbound SMS, which will trigger the automation whenever you receive an inbound SMS. So here we need to connect our ClickSend account to Albato. So we'll add a connection, and then we're going to need to input our ClickSend username and API key, which can be copied from your account in the ClickSend dashboard. Great. So we've got the ClickSend trigger connected. Now we need to set up the action that we want the automation to perform once that inbound SMS trigger hits. So this time we're going to select Google Sheets from the drop-down menu, and the action we're going to add is to create or update a row. Now we need to connect our Google Sheets account by signing in with Google. So we'll just quickly do that. Great, we're connected. So we need to have a Google Sheet ready to go. And we need to already have some information placed into it. So we have a test sheet here with some standard contact information that you may get, like someone's first and last name, their mobile number, and the content of their message. So we need to select the name of that spreadsheet here. So that Albato knows that this is the sheet we want to update. So here we're just filling in the required fields that Albato needs to know to be able to map the data. There are also some optional fields you can fill in too if you wish. Next, you want to set up duplicate search. In this example, I filled out a mobile number and set up the duplicate search setting with the condition, update an existing record if a duplicate is found, otherwise create a record. Click Save, and then click Start. And that's it. Your automation is on. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. And happy automating, guys.
ClickSend is business communications solved.